Hello traders, I'm back here with my New York session analysis review. What a blessing day today, guys. Most of my traders bank amazing profit, and some of the traders bank 350 plus pips today, guys. That was an amazing volatility. And as always mentioned, guys, if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of reviews, so most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how my traders squeeze amazing profit. All right, as always mentioned, guys, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. As you can see here, most of them consider banking some pips. Let me share with you these stats first. Okay. All right, so of course I'm just remove all the names of my traders because of the confidential information I don't want to share with you guys. But as you can see, all these people, because that's my stats basically where I can see how the traders are doing very well. If I see any trader is not following the rules, basically, you know, I help them through live intraday analysis and through live audio commentary. So that's my control panel where I see how my traders are doing. I can see all of their open position. I can help them live. Right, so as you can see here, most of my traders bank, 350 plus pips. As you can see here, all of them. Some of them, they are part-time trader. The full-time traders, you can see here, that's the traders I manage it personally. As you can see, some of them trades are already opened here. All of them is in profit, right? So let me share with you one of the traders. As you can see here, that is the 350 pips, and these are the two trades. Look, can you see this trade ID? Two IDs, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, 227729, and that was a screenshot, of course, that's taken before the trade closed, and now he closed it. As you can see here, these two trades, and all of these trades are 100% based on the analysis which is a broadcast. So let me share with you. And if you look at the pound euro yen, that's the 50 pips, and that's again the pullback short trade, and again that was the based on the morning analysis. And I'll show you the euro yen analysis. Based on that, he took a short trade and a bank beautiful pips, 50 pips. Then euro USD, all this trade as mentioned this morning analysis. If you remember this morning, as I said to you, head and shoulder pattern, price broken and retest, and that's what he took a short trade here, and he opened a two beautiful 35 pips profit. Then Aussie dollar, he just banked amazing profit twice, and then the best trade he had it, that was the pound Swiss franc, pound yen. That's 126 pips. As you can see here, again, that's based on we have impulsive, and this is basically the pullback, and that again based on the analysis. He took the short trade here, and he closed his trade because the system take a screenshot every time when the trader open and they close, because if I want to coach them, train them, whether they open a right trade or wrong trade, I need some accountability system, and that's why the system allow me to go through their trades, help them and guide them whether they have taken a emotionally trade or based on the rules. So that's what you can see here. That's the entry, that's the exit. So you can see altogether amazing trade, bank amazing profit. As you can see here, most of my traders bank amazing profit, guys, today. All right, so let's get back to the analysis, and let me share with you guys. As you can see, again, you can see those pips, and some of the traders might be thinking, where's the money? Because every trader has associated their own accounts, and that account is linked. You can see with MT4 or MT5, you can see with this icon, you can see here. As you can see here, this is the account associate, and this is the lot size, so they can manage their account through this platform. For me, the most important thing, I need to see how many pips they have made it, and if they are doing good, fantastic. If they're having challenges, so I can help them. So that's what exactly the whole platform is built, to train and coach trader with the live market. All right, let's get to the analysis, guys. That was the beautiful trade we had it. Euro USD, beautiful this morning. As I said to you guys, we are expecting if the price gonna respect. You can see here, we had this short trade this morning, beautiful, bank some profit. And at the New York session, price broken this one. In intraday, we had a broken and retest, and that's what we have taken and say, guys, keep taking it, and probably looks like might gonna hit the price this level. But as long as the price hitting to the 200 EMA, just keep banking profit. Because I just closed my day because we had amazing trade, guys. So some of the traders are still holding and keep taking and pull back. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was the beautiful trade, guys. Okay, so if you look at this morning, as I mentioned you, the head and shoulder pattern, as you have seen, the one of my traders bank amazing profit. So you can see a beautiful pullback breakout short trade here. And at the New York session, as you can see here, the price, I said to my guys, let's let the market break this structure. The market broken this structure, as you can see here. Okay, let me make it bigger so you can see it. That's the price broken, and I said to guys, look for pullback. So you can see here, price came back exactly this level, at this level, and beautiful pullback. And I said, guys, now we have a major previous high is broken in 4 hour, so keep taking a pullback. So I announce all these pullbacks, 1, 2, 3, beautiful. Even now after I close my session, still traders are enjoying it. Pullback, you can see here what amazing trade, guys, on EURUSD. We had amazing trade on pound dollar too, because the interest rate increased, and that's obviously, and as I said to you this morning, if you look at the 4 hour chart, we have the short trade this morning and a bank some profit. If you haven't seen my morning analysis, the video link is given in the video description. So as we were expecting, and as explained to my trader, that we have the early sign of reversal. What is that early sign? If you look at here, we have this fractal, we have this fractal, we have this fractal, sort of like inverted head and shoulder pattern. So but we need to wait for the confirmation. And as you can see, interest rate for the pound was increased, and that's the good sign for currency. Then afterwards, after this banking, we had keep taking a pullback long trade. We also had some counter short trade at this level, but mainly we were interested in long trade here pullback. And I said to my guys, let's see if the price gonna hit this level. We'll see the price action, but just keep taking a pullback. So let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was the amazing trade, guys, on pound dollar. Amazing, no doubt. Okay, so let me make it slightly bigger so you can see here. Okay, so this is the trade we had it this morning, as you've seen in my morning analysis review. And afterwards, at the New York session, say, guys, let the market settle down. Let's the New York session open. As you can see, that was a pretty straightforward breakout at this level. The price broken, after broker, price retest. We have pullback, second pullback, third pullback. I said to guys, price develop high and low. Consider banking some pips, but probably looks like we have another bull flag pattern. And that's what I did analysis instantly, as you can see here. And I said to guys, I don't want anybody to trigger the button unless the market gonna come out from the structure. That's what I guide people trader on the live. So we can see here, that was a, of course, based on the momentum, our bias was long. We can see here bull flag pattern breakout once the price broken, and another one once the price broken the previous high. So guys, keep enjoying it, banking some profit. After banking some profit, as soon as the price reverse impulsively, I said to guys, if the price gonna break, then we're going to take a short trade, otherwise long here. So you can see this was the counter short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, you can see, guys, consider banking some pips. You know, this is the counter trade, possibility of reversal. Exactly, that's happened. As you can see, a price reverse, and I say, guys, look, this breakout which we have taken it, but this trade we came out of the break even. Price came back. I say, guys, just no worry, let's wait for another pullback. So you can see here, and I said to guys, safest way, let the market break this structure. You can see here, price develop another wedge. As soon as the price respected, momentum bullish, long, and I say, guys, just now we have an amazing trade. Just keep taking a pullback. You can see, guys, all that information is provided live through live audio commentary and through live intraday analysis. All right, so as you can see here, how nicely we had a dollar CAD, we had a slightly challenges, but we managed. You know, some of the traders are still holding short trade here. Reason we have this rejection previously, if you look at here, this one, we have this rejection, and I said to guys, there's still possibility price might going to break, but if the price is going to respect, then short trade here. Let me share with you the analysis. As you can see here at the New York session, we had this pretty straightforward channel breakout. Even the price broken, as you can see here, price broken and retest, long trade here, because as soon as the price retest support this level, impulsively reverse, as you can see here. That's what I explained to my trader. Now technically we are looking this breakout, but we have a symmetry triangle, and if the price gonna respect this one, short trade here and short trade here, and then keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, price nicely respected as mentioned on the analysis. Breakout short trade here. Even now, because I closed my day early, guys, we need to enjoy some time. You can see has such a nice beautiful short trade here. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and as you have seen, most of my traders bank amazing profit. And that's what I said to you guys, the most interesting part of it, you should be watching those analyses and banking profit in the real time. And that's the most interesting part of it. Or as I mentioned, if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with a live market. And once you develop and produce that sort of consistency pips, then I can also help you to get funded from platform. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market every single day, so most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.